What's wrong with being confident?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really fun to play around with, and it's the Nickelodeon eyeshadow palette that they sell at Hot Topic. If you know me, you know that I am a die-hard Rugrats fan. Like, I can't even tell you how hard of a Rugrats fan I am. I have the Pops Funko collectibles. I have Chucky, Tommy, and Reptar. And I will put some pictures up to show you, like, since I was young, like, obsessed with Rugrats. My mom would buy me clothes with Rugrats on it. Whenever I see a poster that has Rugrats on it, I would run up to it and I would tell mom to take a picture. When we came here to America, I watched it in English and I loved it even more. It's just, Rugrats have a really special place in my heart. I actually have like 3 t-shirts that have Rugrats on them, but this is one of them. This is the from Hot Topic as well. It has like all the characters on it. It's really cute. So yeah, I wore this shirt in honor of today, and I thought it would be really fun to do like a little look on the face with the palette. I did take off the packaging off because it was like in a plastic bag, but the actual, like here, it's sealed. So I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but I just wanna kind of have fun and be inspired by all these Nickelodeon colors, and let's see what I come up with. I already did prep my eyebrows with the BH Cosmetics eyebrow trio, and primed my eyes with the Morphe eyeshadow primer. Let's take a Morphe blending brush, and I'm gonna take fish sticks, which is here. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. So now I'm thinking of doing like an orange, pinkish purple, and then doing green here. But I kind of want like the orange here. Let's do Hi Ho Datey, which is the classic Nickelodeon orange color. And I'm gonna take that from crease down. I'm gonna keep the same brush, and I'm gonna take All Dolled Up. I'm gonna take that in the crease. I think I'm gonna stop there. I'm gonna take I'm the Boss in the same brush. And then I'm gonna take You Idiot. I'm gonna put that right here and blend it in. Do it. Why not? Let's try to do as much colors as we can, because this is a fun, playful palette. I'm just gonna do right there. You guys don't understand, like, I am a die-hard Rugrats fan. Like, I have to show you guys my ringtone, okay? On concealer, and then then I'm gonna do the orange, and then I'm gonna do the green underneath. Concealer, I'm gonna go for a little lighter shade using the Age Wine Insta Concealer. And going back to Hi Ho Daily, and I'm just gonna like that. And I'm gonna take I'm the Boss and kind of just in here. A little bit of You Idiot too, and a little bit of Football Head back in here. I don't know where my battery died, but I took He Loves Me and I'm Beautiful in the inner corner, and I took more right underneath here. I'm gonna take again and place it right there. I'm upset, man. I have to get a new camera. I'm gonna do my face, and I'm gonna do my liner, my mascara, my lashes, and everything else that needs to be done, and I'll be right back. I'm back with the rest of the face done. I didn't put any highlighter or blush because I was thinking it would be kind of fun to use like the shades as highlighter and blush. I want to take Hi Ho Diggity, which is the bright orange, and use that as a blush. I don't know if this is too bold for me, but I think it's gonna be fun. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. A little bit of All Dolled Up, which is that sand pink. I'm just gonna on top a little bit. And then for highlight, I'm thinking of doing either smashing or let's do both because we didn't get to use smashing. So smashing. I can only hear it in his voice.
Smashing!
Let's see. Ooh, okay, I see you, Nickelodeon. You guys should make this as a highlight. So for lip, I'm gonna do CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte in 340 Current Nude. True. So for gloss, I'm gonna use this really fun gloss. It's called Jessie's Girl Glow Stick, and it's really cute because I want to go with the look, like the whole orange and the, you know, 90s vibe. I think it's only appropriate to get a really funky gloss, and it is called, this one is called Red Dawn. Sorry I didn't have a background today, guys. I was just like, I really wanted to do this video so bad. But let me know what you guys' final thoughts were on the palette. And if you guys like me doing these kind of silly videos, reviewing stuff, or if you have any other suggestions you want me to do, put it in the comments down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not already done so, to all my new people that are coming around to see this video. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you are notified every time that I upload a new video. I promised you guys that I was gonna get back on my grind, and I am doing so. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.